Hello traders and welcome back to ChrisFX. Today I will be taking you through how to master the support and resistance trading strategy. Let's roll the intro. So I know there is a lot of confusion around support and resistance. Here on ChrisFX we are more about smart money concepts, but nonetheless for all of you support and resistance traders, I have very good news for you. We traders that we are trading smart money concepts, pretty much we are trading the same way as support and resistance traders, but for all of you who do not want to get into the basics and into the details of smart money concepts, I have very good advice for you. So I will be removing all drawings, and here I am on the daily chart on Euro US dollar. So what I want from you support and resistance traders, basic tips. First of all, identify the trend. We are on the daily time frame, and of course you can do it on any time frame you want, but pay very close attention, and I'm gonna be eliminating any confusion that you might have regarding support and resistance trading. We are making lower highs and lower lows. This is a lower low, this is a lower high compared to this one and this one, and then we are breaking structure again, and we are making lower lows and lower highs. Then we are breaking structure again, and we are again making a lower low and a lower high. We are on a clear downtrend. So what I want from you, support and resistance traders out there, I'm gonna clarify it once and for all. When we are on such trend, such as this one over here, just focus only on taking shorts. This means focus only on selling. And I will be clarifying point number 2 to eliminate all confusion afterwards. But in this occasion, just identify those resistance levels only and do not go ahead, for example, and identify this one as support. Of course, you might say that here you would be having trade opportunities, and if you have backtested it and it works for you, it's fine. But you will be increasing your possibilities of entering on the winning side only if you will be focusing on areas such as this one right here, which is not tested in this occasion, but there are other areas such as this one which are tested. We as order block traders, smart money concept traders, we would be identifying only this one as the order block, so you see that we just narrow down this whole area that you might be including to this small area right here. Furthermore, you can see here you would also be having opportunities to enter with support and resistance trading, so you would be going ahead and identifying your resistance levels here. Number 2 of clarification. Forget about the support becomes resistance concept. So the fact that it might be working in some instances does not mean that it's the best thing to do in order to perfect your trading plan and your trading strategy. So you might be going and saying this is a support and now it becomes a resistance. So this is working perfectly. Again, it might be working in some occasions, but it's not the optimal way to do things. Because again, here you might be saying that here we do have a support which became resistance. The reality of it is that price came back to test this huge order block right here. And if you include those candlesticks, it came back to retest this thing right here. And I will prove you why this is not the optimal thing. Again, here if you go in this occasion, this one, which is a support level, never became resistance. This one, where do you know that this is gonna become resistance? Of course, you might claim this whole support level became resistance here, but it is very abstract, like you don't know if this is gonna become the resistance. You see the false signals right here that it gave to many traders. You don't know if this is gonna become the resistance, and you don't know if this is gonna become resistance. As a result, you are entering losing trades. And again, here you see it wouldn't be working. It gave you false signals right here, okay? False signals again if you include this thing with this candlestick right here, and of course this one in this instance just happened to be working, but your support area would have been this whole thing. Focus only on resistances, and again you might be saying that this is an area that has been support in the past and now it became resistance and now resistance again, but you see how abstract this whole thing is, because okay, we have support, let's say, as you call it here, then it broke down, it is all a mess, then it became resistance technically right here and right here, but you are getting totally and absolutely lost. So just identify the highest points in case that you don't want to learn about order blocks, which is very simple actually, and I also teach it in my premium courses in case that you don't want to learn about order blocks, where we would be having very small areas right here and we would be able to get amazing reward to risk, many times even 100 to 1 and even more. I just called an 80 to 1 reward to risk 2 days ago on Bitcoin. Anyways, just choose, if you choose to trade support and resistance, find the trend, here we have a downtrend, and just choose only the highest levels, like this one, okay? And in this occasion, like this whole thing right here. You can do this thing, the highest levels only, okay? In this occasion, you would be having this instance. Choose only this one. And of course, sometimes it's not gonna come back and be tested, such as in this occasion right here, but where it does get tested, then you will be entering profitable trades without needing to learn about smart money concepts, even though it is strongly advised that you go ahead and enter my community and you will learn every single bit of it quickly and effectively. Plus, we are gonna be doing weekly and daily analysis, even analysis per request. Again, here you would be choosing the higher point, the highest point right here, or even this one. You see, it gets tested, only the highest points I want you to be choosing. And in case that we have an uptrend, where again we as smart money concept traders, we would be going ahead and identifying bullish order blocks, you can just go ahead and identify only the lowest levels then of support. So when you have an uptrend, just identify only supports to trade from. Now we have an uptrend until here, okay? So just identify supports. When we break below this level, now we have changed character. I want you to go ahead and identify only resistances. So support and resistance trading, as also order block trading, share many similarities if performed correctly. In the long term, you will just see that with order block trading, we are able to minimize our trading areas or trading zones to smaller points, and many times we do understand why price is reacting from such point. Of course, we are all retail traders out there. We are not able to know what the algorithm does exactly, but we are able, by telling ourselves a story, which I'm teaching in the premium courses, to enter many winning trades and narrow down our support and resistance zones to very tiny areas such as this one. This is one thing you wouldn't be able to predict with support and resistance trading. You would be expecting this area. We did get trades out of this zone right here. And by scaling down to a lower time frame, we took huge rewards to risk. Plus, this one was another trade that we took. So this is what you have to do as a support and resistance trader. Remember, we are all retail traders. We are all on the same journey. You can choose what best works for you. In the end of the day, it is your decision to trade the way that you want to trade and the way that makes you happy and profitable. Stay tuned for more videos like this one, subscribe to my YouTube channel, like this video, don't forget to turn the notifications bell on so that you don't miss any of my videos. This is gonna do it for today. Thank you all for watching. Until next time.